Welcome to MarketTheMagnet. Transform your kitchen into a hub of efficiency and creativity with these thoughtfully designed tools and gadgets. From precise measuring spoons, ergonomic whisks, and versatile tongs to smart thermometers, non-stick cookware, and convenient bag sealers, each product combines functionality, durability, and style. Perfect for home chefs, they simplify cooking, baking, and food prep, making every kitchen task effortless and enjoyable. All products links in the description section below. Whether you're hosting a relaxed hangout or heading out for a sunny picnic, this portable cheese board makes sharing food feel effortless. Its spacious compartments keep snacks beautifully organized, while the clear lid lets you prep ahead and carry everything securely. The bamboo design adds a warm, natural touch to your setup, making every gathering feel a bit more special. And with a price of $26.99, it's a simple upgrade worth enjoying at your next get-together. If you love cooking but want to save time, this electric cheese grater fits effortlessly into your daily routine. Its powerful motor and 6 interchangeable blades make slicing, shredding, and prepping ingredients feel almost effortless, whether you're making salads, toppings, or quick weeknight meals. It keeps your kitchen workflow smooth and cleanup simple, helping you enjoy fresher meals faster. And with a price of $85.99, it easily elevates every meal you prepare. For everyday cooking that feels smoother and more enjoyable, this kitchen knife set brings both style and performance to your countertop. Each blade is sharp, sturdy, and designed for effortless slicing, while the compact universal block keeps everything neatly organized even in smaller kitchens. The ergonomic handles make prep work more comfortable, helping you cut with confidence during busy meals or quiet evenings at home. And at $24.99, it's a practical upgrade you'll appreciate every time you cook. Keeping your kitchen organized gets a lot easier with these pot and pan protectors. They slip between your cookware to prevent scratches, extend the life of your pots, and help everything stack neatly, perfect for small cabinets or busy kitchens. Their soft felt design is gentle yet durable, making storage safer while freeing up extra space. Simple to use and easy to clean, they bring order to your daily routine. And at $12.99, they keep your cookware looking great every day. A good pair of kitchen scissors makes everyday cooking so much quicker, and this heavy-duty set fits perfectly into any busy routine. From trimming herbs to cutting poultry or opening stubborn packages, their sharp stainless steel blades and comfortable grip make every task feel easier. The 2-pack design means you always have a pair handy, whether in the kitchen, outdoors, or around the house. And at $9.99, they add effortless convenience to your daily prep. Baking and cooking get a whole lot smoother with this stainless steel pastry scraper. Its sturdy design helps you divide dough, cut pizza, portion ingredients, and clean your workspace with ease. The built-in measuring scale keeps everything precise, making it perfect for anyone who loves neat, consistent results. Lightweight, durable, and simple to clean, it quickly becomes a tool you reach for every day in the kitchen. And at $6.99, it brings efficient precision to every recipe you make. Keeping your kitchen counters clean gets so much easier with this silicone utensil rest. Its raised edges catch strips, while the 4 slots give every spoon, spatula, or ladle a dedicated spot during busy cooking sessions. Heat-resistant, non-slip, and dishwasher-safe, it fits effortlessly into everyday meal prep and helps you stay organized while multitasking. Durable and compact, it's a small upgrade that makes a big difference. And at $7.99, it keeps your counters cleaner with every recipe. Making breakfast or baking treats becomes so much smoother with this pancake batter dispenser. Its wide opening and easy pull trigger give you clean, controlled pours every time, perfect for pancakes, cupcakes, waffles, and more. The measuring labels help you stay consistent, while the large capacity keeps you moving without constant refills. Lightweight, stylish, and surprisingly simple to use, it brings fun and precision to your kitchen routine. And at $8.99, it helps every pour look perfectly intentional. Crushing garlic and ginger becomes effortless with this premium press. Its ergonomic handle and built-in studs extract maximum flavor in seconds while keeping your hands clean and odor-free. The included silicone peeler and brush make prep and cleanup simple, and its rust-resistant stainless steel ensures long-lasting durability. Perfect for both everyday meals and gourmet recipes, it helps you cook smarter, not harder. And at $12.30, it brings efficiency and flavor to every dish you make. Handling delicate ingredients or precise plating is a breeze with these fine tweezer tongs. Their long, ergonomic design keeps your hands comfortable while gripping food securely, making them ideal for cooking, serving, or baking tasks. Durable stainless steel ensures long-lasting use, while the lightweight feel makes them easy to maneuver in any kitchen scenario. Perfect for everyday meals or special occasions. And at $9.98, they bring precision and control to every dish you create. Flipping pancakes, eggs, or fish becomes effortless with these versatile 2-in-1 spatula tongs. Their ergonomic design ensures a comfortable, secure grip, while the non-stick, heat-resistant material makes cooking and cleanup simple. Perfect for everyday breakfasts, dinner prep, or even buffet setups, they combine precision and convenience in one sleek kitchen tool. Durable, colorful, and easy to use, they elevate your cooking experience. And at $9.99, they make flipping and serving easier than ever. Cooking meat, baking, or grilling becomes more precise with this ThermoPro digital thermometer. Its stainless steel probe and USDA preset temperatures ensure perfectly cooked meals every time, while the large LCD display and timer make monitoring effortless. Heat-resistant and easy to use, it's perfect for ovens, smokers, or stovetops, helping you cook confidently without guessing. Durable, accurate, and convenient, it's a smart addition to any kitchen. And at $19.99, it ensures perfectly cooked meals every time. Making gravies, soups, and sauces healthier and smoother is simple with this fat separator. Its bottom release design ensures precise pouring while separating unwanted fat, and the included strainer keeps liquids free of clumps or pulp. Heat-resistant, BPA-free, and dishwasher safe, it's perfect for everyday cooking or holiday feasts. The bonus 3-in-1 peeler adds extra versatility for prepping vegetables or fruits. And at $20.39, it brings convenience and healthier cooking to every kitchen routine. Rinsing vegetables, draining pasta, or drying utensils becomes effortless with this over-the-sink strainer basket. Its adjustable design fits most sinks while providing stability and airflow, keeping food clean and countertop mess-free. Multipurpose and durable, it's perfect for everyday kitchen prep or hosting gatherings, and the BPA-free material ensures safe food handling. Dishwasher safe for easy cleanup, this versatile basket makes cooking more convenient. And at $17.99, it brings practicality and efficiency to every kitchen setup. Keeping your grill clean has never been easier or safer thanks to this bristle-free grill rescue cleaning head. Perfect for cast iron, stainless steel, and all grill types, it removes grease effortlessly while protecting your food from stray bristles. Heat-resistant and durable, it's ideal for backyard BBQs or weekend cookouts. Its replaceable head ensures long-lasting use, saving money and reducing waste. At $26.95, this essential tool transforms your grilling experience every time. Bring bakery-quality donuts and pastries right to your kitchen with the Hullison Donut Cutter. Crafted from stainless steel with a soft grip, non-slip handle, it effortlessly slices through sticky or dense dough while preventing hand fatigue. Its 3.5-inch size plus additional biscuit cutter maximizes your dough, reducing waste. Ideal for home bakers or gifting to baking enthusiasts, this durable, dishwasher-safe tool makes baking fun, precise, and stress-free. Available now for $12.99. Imagine a kitchen where every snack, grain, or leftover stays perfectly fresh, saving both money and time. The mini bag sealer makes resealing effortless with its 2-in-1 cutter and USB rechargeable design, blending convenience with eco-friendly efficiency. Compact yet powerful, it fits right into your cooking routine, ideal for busy mornings or family gatherings. At just $6.59, it's an affordable way to simplify storage, reduce waste, and keep your kitchen organized every day. Keep your drawers and cabinets looking fresh and organized with the Gorilla Grip Power Grip Drawer Shelf. Its non-adhesive, tear-resistant design ensures items stay put while adding a durable, protective layer to your surfaces. Perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, or offices, it prevents slips and scratches while making storage more efficient. Easy to trim and clean, this versatile liner blends practicality with a touch of style. At just $14.99, it's a simple upgrade for your home every day. Elevate your cooking experience with the Tevia silicone whisk, perfect for blending, whisking, and stirring without scratching your cookware. Its heat-resistant, BPA-free silicone and ergonomic handle reduce hand fatigue, while the durable stainless steel core ensures long-lasting performance. Ideal for batters, creams, or eggs, this whisk makes every kitchen task smoother and more enjoyable. At just $9.49, it's a practical and stylish tool to keep your culinary creations effortless and fun every day. Make measuring a breeze with the Acmer 11-piece stainless steel measuring spoons, perfect for precise dry and liquid ingredient portions. Their engraved markings won't fade, and the stackable design keeps your kitchen organized while saving space. Durable, dishwasher-safe, and professional-grade, these spoons are ideal for home cooks or baking enthusiasts who want consistency and ease in every recipe. At just $12.99, they're a practical and stylish addition to your culinary toolkit every day. Upgrade your kitchen with the new Avi Healthy Duralin Blue 12-piece non-stick cookware set, combining diamond-infused durability with eco-friendly ceramic coating. Perfect for everyday cooking, it heats evenly, resists scratches, and is induction-ready, dishwasher-safe, and oven-safe for effortless meal prep. Stylish and practical, it elevates your culinary experience while ensuring healthy cooking. At $179.99, this cookware set is a smart, long-lasting choice for any home chef looking for quality and convenience every day. Thank you for joining us. Subscribe for more great home, kitchen, and gadgets finds. Give this video thumbs up and share your thought in the comment section below.